Here's how you do this worksheet. I want you to figure out what charge goes on the edge of boron there, or any element. The first one you're going to do is chlorine, but I'm going to show you boron as an example. Well, if I want to know how many protons boron has, I just have to look at the periodic table. When I look at boron, it has an atomic number of 5, which tells me it has 5 protons. And that will never change, whether it's an atom or an ion. It will always be the same. Otherwise, it wouldn't be boron. Now, how many electrons does a neutral atom of boron? You got to remember, atoms are neutral. Ions are not. Well, because it's neutral, it will also have 5 electrons. It has to be balanced. You see how an atom of chlorine has the same number and the atom of magnesium has the same number of protons and electrons? Always has to be true when it's an atom. But when it's an ion, it doesn't. Look at that imbalance right there. Now, for most of these, I'm going to have some numbers filled in this box. Anywhere there isn't a number filled in, I want you to fill it in. But let's say that I have, I'm going to go with 2 electrons here. Well, if I have 2 electrons, that means I have more positives than I have negatives. So I know right away the ion is going to be positive. Now the only question is positive what? Well, the difference between the two is 3, so positive 3. And there we go. That's my ion of boron. All right, now it's your turn. Come down here. I want you to figure out what charge will go on this ion of chlorine, and then keep going.